Hey everybody, Makeupbyjalesse here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. I don't want to have you guys waiting any longer. So in today's video, I will be collaborating with LuvMe hair again. This is my favorite hair company and I love when they send me units. So in today's video, they sent me a 5x5 wet and wavy, undetectable, invisible, glueless lace closure wig. Like, you guys, when you see the ending, the results are amazing. So of course, let's just get into the details of the wig. Of course, they have the elastic band, they have adjustable straps, they have a bunch of combs, and of course the lace to keep this wig snatched and snug. So this is the part, of course, 5x5. You guys, it came pre-plucked already, and this invisible lace, undetectable lace, y'all, look, you know what, you just have to see. So this is a 20-inch, and this is a very easy unit to install. It's really, you can just throw it on and go. It is glueless, so you don't have to glue it down with any glue, but I'm definitely going to glue it down just for a little security for me, because I'm probably going to be wearing this wig for a couple of days. So I'm going to just go ahead and glue it down with the spray. So you guys saw the closure looks like it's literally growing out of my head, and it is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna tint my my little wig cap, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tint the closure with makeup. I don't bleach my closures or frontals at all. I'm just really, you guys, you may think I'm putting on these wigs like excellent, or if I am, if you even think that, I really don't care. But a lot of people are like, oh, like, help me install these wigs. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. So I just go with the flow. I'm not good at plucking. I'm not good at bleaching. I'm not good at making these wigs look that natural. So if it's already comes like that, if it's pre-plucked and it got all this good stuff that I don't need to put no extra work in, I'm good to go. So this is very beginner friendly wig. So if you're new to wigs, I would suggest that you try a closure wig, because they're so much more easier than frontals. And I'm just starting to love closures, because it's like some of these closures are basically looking like frontals nowadays. So the easier the better. So anyways, I'm going in and I'm just tacking down this closure with a little bit of hairspray. And I did want to say something about the 5x5 closure. You can wear it in a side part or a middle part. You know, I love my middle parts, but I will definitely be trying a side part. I didn't try it in the video, but I should have. But yeah, whatever. But as you can see, you guys, this closure, this lace, I mean, I can already tell when I first got it, I was like, this is about to be the best wig I've ever had, because you cannot even tell. And you guys, in the end, you cannot tell. So I'm just tacking it down a little bit more. Again, this is in natural black, so this hair can be dyed, all that good stuff to it. I have people walking around in the back of my videos, but okay. Anyways, so I'm just cutting the lace, as you guys could see, and just, yeah, go ahead and just cut that lace off. I'm telling you, this was so easy, and the lace was so thin. So just kind of be careful, because it is invisible, and you cannot detect it, undetectable. So it comes off a little more thinner than your average closure. And look at that, you guys. Boom. Just add a little. I didn't even really feel like I needed to, but I just think for, you know, this is just routine. I add a little makeup to match a little bit in the skin, to match my skin a little bit more. And just go ahead, because my wig cap is a little further back and this is a closure, so I'm just going to go ahead and tint that part as well with makeup. As I'm tacking it down, just keeping this little headband around it just to keep it in place. And then I'm going to just touch up the roots with a pressing comb and some, just to make it a little more flat. Like I said, you literally can just wet this hair and go, but depend on it if you want baby hairs or not, you can do that as well. I'm gonna add baby hair because why not? I mean, I don't always add baby hair, but I wanted to do it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add some baby hairs to that, press it super sleek so it can be super flat, and you guys add water and you are good to go. Seriously, this was the most easiest unit I've ever installed. So if you are a beginner, you are definitely capable of doing this wig, putting on this wig. So I'm just touching up my baby hairs. And like I said, this is optional. You do not have to do this. And that's it. Look at it's going out of my scalp, you guys. Perfect. Okay, so now that I just threw a little makeup on just so I don't have to look raggedy, I'm gonna go wet the curls, and so we can see what these curls look like. I've been looking for a wet and wavy wig forever, and it's crazy because I'm not really familiar with the curly texture. So every time I would get like a curly wig, it was always the same curly texture, and I was just like, why is this not more wet and wavy? Like, but I was like, wet and wavy, that makes sense. Wavy, like I was getting kinky curl. I was doing all kind of girl, a mess. But anyways, this is the perfect wig. Again, it's a 20-inch. It looks longer than a 20-inch, and I'm like really happy about that. This is the perfect hair for summer, for vacation. Doesn't have, you don't have to have a lot of hassle, and the hair shedded a little bit, but not like I thought it would, because I've had so many curly units and they've been shedding, or they just shed mild shedding, not that much shedding. But this one didn't shed as much, which I'm very surprised. But if you do get this unit and it shed, you guys have to realize curly hair is going to shed. It's not coming from scalp. All hair sheds, but it's not coming from the scalp, and it's a matter of how much shedding. If it's not a lot shedding, you're good to go. It was just a few little pieces here and there as I raked through it, but other than that, it wasn't nothing to really complain about. So this unit is very beautiful, you guys. I highly recommend that you try it, you buy it. Super affordable, you guys. Like, don't miss out. So I will put all the details again in the description box for this wig. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about this unit, I'm very open and honest. I don't just say things because I'm have a partnership with these companies. I really tell you the honest truth on these units. So if you have any questions about this wig, holler at your girl. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't want to keep rambling, but that is it. This is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. I'm so in love with this hair, this unit. It looks very beautiful coming out the scalp. Now that's because my makeup, I forgot to put some makeup right there, but other than that, it's coming out of the scalp. Flawless finish. And I thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, do all of that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.